Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you are all are safe. So here comes my next video and please do like and subscribe and share my video. So our today's topic is gender. What is gender? Gender describes the characteristics of a noun. And noun, I told you in the previous videos also, noun is a word that describes a place, person, thing, or animal. So, a gender is a word that describes the characteristics of that noun. A characteristics, feature, or attribute of a person, of an animal, or a thing. So, let's start. There are four types of gender in English grammar. First is feminine gender, second is masculine gender, third is common gender, and fourth is neuter gender. So here comes the first, feminine gender. Feminine gender are used for women, girls, or female animals. Okay, we use it for women, girls, or female animals. Okay, and masculine gender are used for men, boys, or male animals. Okay, we use for men, boys, or female animals. Sorry. Then comes common gender. Common gender are nouns that are used for both males and females. Okay, common gender are those that are used for both males and females. Then neuter gender. Neuter gender, as the name suggests, the words that used for things that are not alive, that are non-living things. Okay, so feminine, masculine, and common gender, these three gender are used for the things, or you can say the people, or animal, or living things. Here are some examples of all four genders. So first one is masculine gender. So example of masculine gender is, first one is king, boy, father, a lion, a monk, and a dog. So these are all male and male. These describes a male, and these all are living things. These are all living beings also. Then comes the feminine gender. Feminine gender, I told you, that describes a female, women, or a girl. So here are some examples: girl, queen, mother, bride, nun, cat. So these all are also living things. Then comes the common gender. So the common gender, I told you that the common gender are used for both males and females. So here are some examples. A doctor can be a female also and a male also. A student also, a male student also, a female student also. A boy is also a student, a girl is also a student. Your cousin is a boy also, your cousins are a girl also. Reporter, reporter can be a man also and a woman also. Okay, as well as you can say actor, actor is also, you can say, a masculine gender. And what about the actress? Actress is a feminine gender. Okay, so then comes the neuter gender. Neuter gender, that I told you, the words that use for the things that are not alive, for non-living things. That is a pen, computer, chair, sun, ocean. These are all the neuter gender. So let's revise one more time. Nouns used for males are called masculine gender. Nouns used for females are called feminine gender. Nouns used for both males and females are called common gender. Nouns used for things but not for people or animals are neuter gender. So, masculine and feminine gender. Masculine gender is a boy, feminine gender is a girl. So, here are some worksheets that you can do it in your notebook. So, these are the worksheet of he and she. He and she. So, you have to describe who is he and who is she. So, you all are aware that we use he with the masculine gender. So, he is used with a male boy or a male animal. You can use it with the male animal also. So cows is a female. So we say that it's a feminine gender. And what about she? She is used with female. That is feminine gender. So she is a feminine gender. Okay. So here are some worksheets that you can do. So read the story. May I feed the cows? Cows is he or she? Cows are she because they are female animals. Kim asked her aunt. Aunt is a female, so we use she. Look out, shouts their uncle from the gate. We used to say uncle to the male member. So it's a masculine gender, so we use he. Run, yells their aunt. Aunt again is she. There is a bull behind us. So, bull is he because bull is a masculine gender. Okay. So, here also you can fill in each blank with the word from the story above. I told you all of the genders. So then the second question says, write the naming words from the box below in the correct crown. So here are two crowns, he and she. So few words are given. So you have to bifurcate them according to the he or she. So Duke, first word is Duke. Duke is he. So we put it in a he corner. Then Empress. Emperor and Empress. So Emperor is a male and Empress is a female. So Empress is, you have to put it in she corner. Emperor, he corner. Lord, Lord is God. So Lord is he and lady is she. Then come Duchess. Duchess is she. Here are some more worksheets. Instructions. Write down in English notebook. So here are some examples that you need to note down about the masculine and feminine gender. So masculine gender, boy, and the feminine gender is girl. Father, mother. Man, woman, sorry. Brother, sister. Uncle, aunt. Nephew, niece. Actor, actress. Fox, vixen. Bull, and cow. So here are some YouTube links through which you can go through genders again also. So there are some guidelines that you should keep all your worksheets in safely in a folder so that they will not go away anywhere. Okay, and you should write date on the left side of the sheet and classwork or homework, whatever it is, on the right side of the sheet. And every day you should read and write. Okay, so thank you kids, and if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. That's it for today. Bye bye.